Hello, my name is Terry, my call sign Golf 4 Papa Oscar Papa. And today I want to show you how to raise a support request. The development team sometimes will ask you for a support request if they've not been able to resolve the issue with you using the internet forum or Facebook or whatever. And that support request would be a zip file which must be emailed to us. Please do not post it on the internet. It contains your passwords and so on, which we need, of course, to be able to emulate things. The support request enables us to set up an exact replica of your setup on our machines for testing, and makes it much easier for us to find the problem. The first thing you need to do when generating a support request is to make sure that Log4M's in a position to actually record any error messages, and to do that you need to go to the help file and the log level and change info to whatever we ask you to do. It might be debug or it might be trace. In this case we'll use debug. Once having done that, you'll then need to replicate the issue that you have. Let's take this as an example that you have had a problem with lookup. So we'll do a lookup and whatever else you may have had a problem with. It could be that you tried something with the awards or something with an upload or a download. Whatever it is, replicate the problem. Now Log4M has now recorded what happened when you tried to do that action. So now we need the file. Go back to the help menu. Down the bottom you've got generate support request. Now you need to note these check boxes here need to be checked before you can proceed. You don't want to share the file on a social network. You have reproduced the issue today's installation, and you've read the content of the self-care screen, which is this screen you're looking at. Once having checked the boxes, you need to say, OK, I agree. Now we'll bring you another window. First of all, let us have your email so that we can contact you. So whatever it might be, let's type it in. And you need to give us a description. Look up files to provide locator. There's a possibility. I've typed that wrong, haven't I? Locator. Any other information you might think is any use, particularly things which are related to the program. So if you're trying to do an upload to Logbook of the World, we need to know what TQSL version you're using. If you're using one of the JT programs, we need to know which of those programs you're using and what version number it might be. And if you're a Skype user, type that in, and if you've got TeamViewer, so that we can have a look at your computer, check the box and include an added backup down the right hand side here, so that we've got a copy of your database to check with. Once you've done that, generate the request bottom right hand corner, and after a few moments you'll get another window come up. And it's most important you note what this window says. It tells you where that file has been saved. It tells you the name of that file so that you can retrieve it to email it to us later. We do our best to automatically bring up the window that shows where the file is in File Explorer, but that may not actually happen on your computer. So you need to know where to go to get the file so that you can then email the file to us. As I said before, do not post this file on the internet. Click OK, and then you should get another window come up. And if you look down that window, you'll eventually see the file you've just created. So, gives you an idea. There's your file there, and once you've got that zip file, just email it to whichever of the developers has requested it. Please do not send us support requests unless we specifically ask you to do so. We have a lot of pressure on us because we're only a small team and we do have day jobs and we can't handle everything. So unless we ask you to send a support request, please do not do so. Thank you for your interest in this video. More videos will follow at some future time. Enjoy Lock4OM and thank you for watching.